Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the screen in a Lenovo IDEAPAD 11015 ISK. Purchased at www.laptopscreen.com. First power off the laptop. Then take your fingers and slowly pry them between the screen and bezel. Take your time because the plastic can get brittle over time. Set the bezel aside. It's time to remove the 4 tiny screws that hold the screen to the lid. You will need a number 0 Phillips head screwdriver. Now gently lower the screen onto the keyboard, and slowly lift up the tape that's securing the connector to the screen. Be careful as the connector is delicate but not fragile. I've placed the bag that the new screen came in for added protection, but it is not needed. Time to reverse the process. Reconnect the cable to the screen. I added a piece of tape for extra security. Flip the screen up into the lid. And secure the screen with the 4 screws. Now peel away the screen protector because you will not be able to remove it once the bezel is in place. Replace the bezel and slowly snap it back in place. The whole process takes less than 15 minutes. Thank you for watching.